All right, people, welcome back. Yes, we're back with the 698. The 950 is having some work done. And today we're going to tackle something a little bit different, more around my custom and styles, how I want my bike to look. And we are going to look at getting this seat custom cover fitted. Not on this one, because this is a normal seat, but on my lowered one. And we are going to go to our trusted company, Volcano Industries. I'll put a link in the page now, their website. Everyone, Marcello, he's a fucking badass guy. He's done some work on my 950. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the lowered seat off, send it over to Italy, get him to do his business, and then we'll unreel the contents when we get back. So let's go to the B-roll. So here we have it, all boxed up, sent back all the way from Italy. Thank you, Volcano Industries. So let's get this open up and checked out. Ooh, I can already tell it's looking good. There you go, people. They're the people you need to get to, Volcano Industries. You ready for the little flip over? You ready for the little flip over? Oh yeah, check that out. Got the HK, a nice little red stripe down the middle with a 698 mono. Woof! Tell you what, mate, you have gone out the bag with this, smashed it out the park. Got the nice perforated leather, the suede down the side, nice little strip down the middle, and obviously the HK. Man, this is going to look badass on the bike. And in the box is just the original seat and a million stickers. Let's get this compared to what the stock seat is and let's get it on the bike. But yeah, so by the magic of YouTube, we will click our fingers and the seat will change. Yes, look at that. Man, the seat looks so cool. Looks so much better. All right, let's wheel it out in the open. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. Woo. Marcello, man, Volcano Industry, smashed it out the park. Right though, people. Let's get on with it. You know what it is? I'll drop a link in the video to his website. Hook him up. You can do any kind of custom design you want. Whatever you want to get done, you can buy off the shelf. You can get custom design done. Logos, brands, everything. Get in touch, mate. The guy's a master. Over and out, guys.